Hello, today we will guide you through how to search and find digital products on Whop Discover. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your starting point, and from here you can access the main areas of the platform. If the page is still loading, give it a moment so everything appears clearly before moving on. Once you are on the home page, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Discover. This section is designed to help you browse and explore products, communities, and tools available on Whop. Using the left navigation is often the quickest way to move into the Discovery area, especially if you are starting from the home feed. After that, when the Discover area opens, click on Discover again at the top of the page. This helps make sure you are in the main Discovery view where search options are available. If you see different categories or featured listings, that is normal. You are simply moving into the section where you can search more directly for what you want. Next, find the search bar and type in digital product. Be sure to enter the phrase clearly so the platform can return the most relevant results. This search will help narrow down the listings and show products related to digital offerings. If results begin appearing as you type, that usually means the search is working correctly. Once the search results load, look through the listings that appear and click on Sample to open it. This will take you into the product page so you can view more information about that item. Opening a result is useful because it lets you inspect the listing more closely, review what it offers, and decide whether it matches what you are looking for. As you follow this process, move slowly enough to confirm each page has updated before continuing. That can help avoid clicking in the wrong place and makes the search experience smoother overall. If the results page looks slightly different from what you expect, focus on the same key areas: the left navigation, the Discover section at the top, the search bar, and the matching result. That's all it takes to search for and find digital products on Whop Discover. By starting from the home page, going into Discover, searching for digital product, and opening a result, you can quickly locate the type of listing you want to explore.